Hey you guys, welcome. I'm Lynn from EJG'S. Today I'll be sharing a little project with you using the IOD Saint Germain transfer and the IOD heraldry mold to create a very sweet cottage style garden pot. This is the IOD heraldry mold. I am going to cast a little cameo with the rose from some air dry clay and apply it to this garden pot. After you've dusted the mold with cornstarch, go ahead and press that air dry clay into the mold, removing the excess with your thumb and flattening the back. I use the micro rim to be sure to get a nice clean finish around the outside edge before uncasting it. To adhere the clay casting to the pot, I'm using Pentart's Heavy Body Gel. I love using this to attach my clay to objects. It tends to reduce the cracking of the air dry clay as it dries. Once the clay has dried, I've given the entire pot and casting a coat of Fusion's casement paint. While that paint is drying, I'm going to get out the Saint Germain transfer and look through it. There's so many beautiful florals in here, but I am going to select a few that I can easily take apart and place around the outside of my pot. You can see that I'm going to cut apart these bits of transfers to make them fit just where I want them, and I'll be layering them and cutting them apart and layering them again so that I can make them work around the entire outside of this little garden pot. For the flower on this little emblem, I am using some Pentart Creamy Acrylics. You can use anything you like, and mixing some colors just to give a very subtle painted and aged effect to this little cameo piece. I layer and mix paints to come close to some of the colors that I'm finding in the Saint Germain transfer. I've added just a little touch of Pentart Antique Gold Metal Pigment and Pigment Fix around the frame of this cameo. And again, I continue to wipe away any excess paint as I layer it on there to create this beautiful subtle effect that I'm getting in the Saint Germain florals as well. To age this piece down even further, I'm using a little bit of very fine steel wool to buff away some of the transfer images and create a very, very subtle, aged and worn effect that allows some of that texture of the pot to come through as well. As a final step, I am adding Fusion's Antiquing Glaze over the entire surface of the pot and then wiping it away with a damp cloth. Then I'll finish it off with a coat of our Funkature Rock Hard Top Coat. It's a marine grade varnish that is going to hold up really well against moisture. Of course, I would always recommend, if you are going to put a live plant in a pot like this, that you plant it inside of another plastic pot and then put that inside your finished pot. I think this makes the prettiest little gift idea, shower favors, centerpieces for a party. I think this is such a beautiful combination using the Saint Germain transfer and the heraldry mold. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. You can find us on YouTube and Facebook, where we stream live twice a week and also do lots of edited videos for your inspiration. And while you're here, don't forget to go ahead and like, subscribe, follow, and leave us a comment to let us know what you think of this cute little pot.